We are going topless.
Foxbody'S are the best Mustang.
It is fantastic. Do you think this will be something good for the coupe? Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we are back at Pitt's Ponies and the Smokies. For me, this is day 2. I know we've had a lot of videos on the channel already, but I don't know what's in store for today. You already know because you clicked the thumbnail and the title and all that. But yeah, today we are going topless, guys. What I mean by that, Tiffany, just to clarify,
Right.
in case people are wondering,
Yeah.
Tar Heel Fox now has the top down. So yesterday we were top up, we're top down today. Hood's open. Whole 9 yards, so that is good to go. Of course, got poor man advertising sign right there, new sign right there, and just having fun, hanging out, talking to people, stopping by the booth, showing the Gearhead 704 on the video, which this is a great idea actually. This is Matt's idea, the other Matt, because this is the Matt and Matt show. But today it's Matt Tiffany show. And those two big dudes in the back are Power Curve, who you know, dyno tuned, Tar Heel Fox, so I could get here without any trouble. And it really, the car drove well, didn't it, Tiffany? We didn't talk about that.
It drove very well.
Yeah, because it was heavy rain when we were coming down. It did fine. We got a little wet. Yeah.
I mean, it's a convertible.
Yeah. So, well, and that's true. Most people know that. But Matt actually has a way to do the weather stripping. So we're going to do that, guys. We're going to redo all the weather stripping at some point and make it not leak at all. But anyway, today, don't know what we're getting into. Gonna find out and bring it to you. So let's get rolling. One of the cool things so far is there are a lot of people here that don't know about the channel, but they like Tar Heel Fox. They like the car. So what I tried to do, I set up a time-lapse camera right there, and I'm gonna throw some time-lapse footage of people just checking it out, and I think that'll be fun. It's been great conversation starter. Again, like I said, today we are fully popped up and open, good to go. Engines out, top down. So yeah, it's been really cool. One of the things I'm really enjoying about the car show is just getting to meet new people as well. Some people know the channel, great to talk to them, I love that, and I'm enjoying meeting new people. It's really just a fun hangout, but I am gonna start making my way around and see what we can find. There are a lot of people coming inside today, and I'm going to show you guys why. Unfortunately, yeah, we got rain today, guys. So not going to be able to show you much out here. A lot of people didn't show up today, honestly, because the rain was coming. So that does, you know, kind of slow things down as far as what we can do, but we'll still have a lot of fun. Yeah, it's great to have the inside convention center. There are a few Mustangs in here in the middle that I did not show you guys in one of the earlier videos. So these are pretty much all going to be new. I'm going to go through them and highlight any Fox bodies that really catch my eye. That is way cool, guys. It's like an original Ford GT. I'm gonna try to talk to the owner. I said Ford GT, it's GT40. I got that wrong, but yeah, the movie Ford versus Ferrari, I'm sure you've all seen that. That's one of the cars that was in there. Now, this is not the original car. Just talking to the owner, he was telling me all about it. Apparently, in the 80s is when it was originally created, but he's had it about 7 years, and it was actually raced. It is a replica, but it was raced. He's had it about 7 years, and he just redid it. Took that long to get it where it is at now, which is absolutely immaculate, gorgeous. He told me since it was done during 2020, you guys all know what happened in 2020, right? This is the first big show it's been to. And I told him he should definitely bring it to Mustang Week. He's actually lives in North Carolina like me. And so I think he should. Hopefully we'll see it there, but it is fantastic. You saw the door open over there earlier before. It is just a, man. I don't think I could fit in it. I'm 6'5". I don't think I could comfortably fit in there, but it is a fantastic car. I missed it yesterday somehow. I kind of saw it up in the distance, but yeah, you can see all the interest in it. Just look at everybody kind of crowding around it. It's gonna be like this all day. Really, really cool one to share with you here, guys. Think of this rear diffuser here on the Celine. Do you think this would be something good for the coupe, for the SSP I'm building? Because I kind of like that. It's really aggressive. Obviously, I've got to figure out what my spoiler's going to be, but what do you think about that diffuser? I don't know. I kind of like it. A very aggressive look. Let me know down in the comments below if you'd like to see that on the SSP. All right, now I think you've seen just about everything here that there is to see inside. No, didn't see everything. Power curve right here. I know you guys had a booth set up here. All right, here you go. Come down to power curve and you get 10 free hats for every dyno tune. No, it doesn't work that way, does it? No. No running the dyno today. Too wet.
Too wet.
Yeah.
And then Birdie's got stickers and keychains.
Yeah, I need to put one of these on my car. Yeah, but that about covers it, guys. Everything I've seen here at Pitts. Wanted to get a lot more of the cars outside yesterday. Unfortunately, didn't do that, and then today, rain. Wouldn't you know it? Definitely had a lot of cool cars though, but really what it's all about is meeting people, talking to people. So I'm gonna stop videoing for a second and go do some of that. But don't you go anywhere. I'll be back just like that. Pretty cool, guys. Got some photographers just started up their branded Fox Media, taking all kinds of pictures of Tar Heel Fox here. Gonna put their Instagram up as well. But you can see him here. He's getting some good footage. All kinds of neat camera stuff, much higher quality than my GoPro here. But yeah, check them out. They're gonna have pictures of Tar Heel Fox up, pretty neat, and I'll have their Instagram up on the screen here. But always nice to have my baby, you know, looked at and taken pictures of, so. I didn't know they were gonna do this. I can't play the song, but I'll show you guys it at least. guys, here we are. We have reached the end. The little thing, you see the booth's all torn down. Tiffany's maskless. Cars are leaving on both sides. We have reached the end. We reached the end of the pits. Can you believe it's over already?
Yes, I can. Because I'm tired.
You're tired. She's been helping me a lot in the booth. Yeah. What was your favorite part? I mean, kind of like my favorite part of this was getting to meet all the people that had recognized the channel. And honestly, a lot of people didn't know about the channel. They came and they just commented how they liked the car, the color of the car, and we sold a lot of shirts.
We did, and we actually sold a lot of shirts to people that didn't even know about the channel.
Yep.
And they just liked the way.
They like the saying.
Liked it. Because Fox Bodies are the best Mustangs.
I mean, they know that if they're watching this channel. I completely agree. So, but don't worry, we didn't sell out of shirts. We still have some shirts, right, babe?
We do.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're gonna bring it to the next show, but you can still get yours online, foxresto.com, and get 10% off Gearhead 704. How many people said the code?
I think only one person.
Only one person said it. Well, that person got their $5 off. But yeah, that was my favorite part. Tiff, I know you're glad it's over, but do you have something you really enjoyed?
I agree. I like being able to meet people and get to talk to them and stuff, and just see the people that came into the booth because they were here because they enjoyed Fox Bodies. So that was kind of neat because our booth stood out from some of the other Mustangs.
Absolutely, absolutely. So that's it for this, guys. I know a lot of videos here from Ponies and the Smokies, but we had a lot of fun. Great to meet you guys that came out. And back to our regularly scheduled program after this. Car launch going off, cars firing up. We better get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. And we'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Bye.
Bye, guys.
How do I look? More put together now?
You look good.
Where's my makeup? Just got to get me on makeup, guys. All right. One of the things I like about this event is just, you know, all the random car stuff that goes off, like the beeps and the random S550 exhaust. No, I'm kidding. Please subscribe. It's a Kaza. That's Kaza.
Good morning, Matt.
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Sorry.